Hi guys, how you doing today? So it's a new week and last week was good, called a couple of trades and they went well. We had -5 pips on car JPY. We had two entries on GBP USD and then both of them were very nice and I think that's all. So I just want to wait for a few minutes for a few people to join, probably a minute or two, but as usual I'll play my music. I love music so much.
For anyone with feeling let go, breathe in my cooler. Sometimes it feels like success is a trap, and sometimes it feels like people don't understand. Got the pressure plenty, and the expectations high. Even your day ones we supposed to get your back, sometimes they won't be fine. Everybody has an opinion. You supposed to live your life. And even people we're supposed to show you the way that the people they backbite. Not be pride, not be ego.
So in the next 60 seconds, I'll start fully proper, and then so I could drop the link in the group for us to see the weekly outlook.
Sometimes I got in my mind, sometimes I got it behind, sometimes I would have to say no. Sometimes I got to what's from my head, say this person not good at me, say no. So if you see me outside and I know it, you know vex, stuff on my head in full of. I'm about you know this. Like this all feel like so sometimes so I don't enjoy my own. I got so many things that the reason no bother me. Wọ́n ní irú pálapàla kò kàn wọlé lórí. Kí ló ṣe dání kan ò ṣe rí o? Family go come, enemy go come.
And I don't know who is who. Okay, so I'll kickstart now, guys. First things first is a new day, and we need to check the news. So we really don't have much on the news today, and then I think it's all gone. 2:15 a.m. That's Nigeria time, and that this is 9:23 a.m. So there's really no news today anymore. So I like to do like for all the pairs, we check them out, and then we see possible entries, and then we know what to do. So right now, AED card has not really been obedient. I used to have some sweet entries on this trade. It really fed me like last year, towards late last year. But right now, it's really not been getting to the entry, which I don't like. We've been missing out, but that's not a problem. So if I had come early based on structure, I would have seen that I could get an entry from here. Look at this particular guy. This is a break of structure. At this point, he broke the structure. That was when we were closing the week last week. We broke the structure at this point and then we had this. So the normal thing to do, we continue riding the trend. It's a lower trend, it's a downtrend, and then I'll look for entry at this point. I have because based I'll look at the buy to sell. So this would have been a street entry, right? But that's gone. We'll just wait for more entries in that direction until otherwise means when the trend changes. ADCHF, I really don't trade this pair. I hardly do. Really, I don't like the structure. ADJPY, I don't like the structure too at the moment. ADNZD, I don't like the structure. And then, okay, for AED it's just the same as AUD card, but this hasn't activated. I want to see the pullback to this level. Then you can see it come down. Because structurally, it's supposed to be an uptrend. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, it was trending up from here, right? Up until it broke here. But then it has broken this structure. So I want to see it pull back to this zone and then we keep going down. So that's what I want to have. I would use my flag to let me remember this. So on Bitcoin, Bitcoin has not really been a good boy, but structurally, I still have the same thing I told you guys. Okay, probably why I said that is because there are different types. If I was only trading as per MT4 trade and all, I won't say anything about not being a good boy. But because when you have some asset at times, you want to be biased with your idea. I'm not saying I'm biased right now, but for my statement not being a good boy, that's why I use that. So it's still here. We could see Bitcoin break this low, and once it breaks this low, it's going down the drain until a long time. So card CHF, nothing really. Card JPY, nothing really too. Nothing yet. I don't like the structure. CHF JPY, same thing. Germany 30. Okay, so this was the trade I missed out on last week. I want to see it pull back to at least this position so we can actually get an entry. So quick one, let me check this. Okay. Okay, so this is going to be a sweet divergence because at this point we have this downward and then we are seeing this upward. So let's say I place, I'll keep looking out for this, and I want you guys to look out for this. It's weekly analysis, so we are looking at every possible trade we can take this week, right? So that's for that's for that. So DXY is still following suit, right? I wanted to see DXY pull up to this stage and then keep moving down. So this will directly affect USD pairs. So now what this means that if DXY is bearish, XXS USD will be USD XXS will be bearish and XXS USD will be bullish. That's what it means, right? So Euro AUD oh, my connection is, what's this? Let's wait for the chart to load up. Euro USD. I hate it when my connection is slow. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Okay, it's quite back. So Euro AUD, structurally, I would say no, no, no. Euro card. What do we have on Euro card? What do we have? I don't know why my connection just became slow all of a sudden. Euro card too. I don't like the structure. It's just there. It's just there. Euro NZD. Why did my connection just get slow all of a sudden? Doesn't make sense to me. Um, don't know if I should switch my network, but Euro NZD, no structure. I don't trade Euro CHF, Euro GBP. This is now frustrating. I hate slow connection. This is Euro GBP. Okay. So Euro GBP is bearish, right? And it's been acting that way. So it broke another structure here. At this point, it broke the structure. We have liquidity on this side, and then we have the break of structure on this side. So after breaking that structure, it came to create another liquidity up here. So what I want to see is, I've marked this up since last week. I still want to see if we see this our entry. We have about 12 pips stop loss. Well, he could want to change structure and start moving up. But right now, based on structure, I would want to see Euro GBP go down, train, bearish move, right? So Euro JPY. Euro JPY, I don't like the structure. Euro USD. Okay, I marked this up. I told you guys that DXY was going bearish, right? When DXY is going a little bit bearish, this might want to pull back to this place and then go. This actually broke structure, right? At this point, we had a break of structure here. At this point, break of structure. So the movement has not been cool. Let me show you something. Hold on 1 second. So we have Euro USD and then we have DXY. DXY here hit this zone and preparing to go bearish, if unless otherwise. So when it's going bearish, USD should be going, Euro USD should be going bullish. So right here now, I feel like is a convergence. Both of them want to go the same direction. But before that happens, I feel like I want to see um some 41 pips move upward before we go downward. That's what I see based on structure. On a normal day when DXY is buying, Euro USD is selling, but right now I say otherwise. Let's wait until we get to GU. GA, nothing on GA, G card, nothing, GJ, nothing to GN, nothing, GU. Okay, I think I want to see GU. We were in GU sell last week, but I still want to see it sell because I feel like it came to completely fill this imbalance here. It came to completely fill the top of the imbalance at this stage. That's why it came back to this point. So if we had not moved our SL to entry, we'll still be in this trade. But did we make good pips? Yes, we made about 50 pips. The only thing we need to do is if we can get a re-entry, and until then, I'm not going to force no trade, right? You could see it pull back to this zone inside this inefficiency left down here, but we'll keep looking out for that. So right now we are looking at very few pairs. GU has been there. I'm overall bullish on GU. I told you guys I want to see it come down to this zone, which will give us a very beautiful trade, a 1 to 11 trade. NZD pairs for now, I don't like their move, so I've not been looking at them. SPX to wait until we go. The only time we can trade the indices right now is when we go to a lower time frame, right? Which I really don't want to put you guys in that situation. Most people on the group are new, so I don't want them to start with indices. Indices are very volatile and can take away all your money, right? So gold, I had this markup on gold, but I didn't take it last week. I hope I see something else. So, guys, I really don't want to waste much of your time. And for sure, whatever I see, I'm going to send it to the group. I'll update you guys and all. But I always tell you guys, it's not this since I discovered my mistakes in trading, I knew that over trading was one of them, and that's why you literally see that I don't send trades every time to the group. I don't really care whatever is happening in the market. Once it doesn't align with my entry, it doesn't align with my strategy, it doesn't align with whatever I do, I'm not going to take the trade, right? I'm being defensive with my money when I don't have a good setup. Thank you guys. I appreciate you all. I want you all to take care of yourselves. Look out. You guys should stream this video, like, comment, share, subscribe. That's how you guys can help me because I'm totally doing all this for free, right? And that's what I need you guys to do. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.